To move an object around the screen, hold down the middle mouse button and place the object where you want. Scroll with the middle mouse button to zoom in and zoom out. Hold down the right mouse button to rotate the object as you want. There are also icons for zoom in and zoom out and icon zoom, all to have complete overview of the object. Under the auxiliary view icon are commands such as top view, isometric view, left view, front view, right view, back view, bottom view, and others that quickly orient the object to the desired view.